You feel me? Yes, let's just start it. You feel me? Yes, IBK. Look here to you now. It looks like I've been uploading, you know what I'm saying? But I've been missing for like a week or two. I'm not even gonna lie, cuz. Why? Because I've just been busy, man, doing other things, you feel me? Like I started a new channel, you feel me? But I'm gonna get into that later. All these videos that's been uploaded has been scheduled from a long time already. So I haven't even touched this channel for like a week or two, you feel me? I haven't done any reactions. But we're gonna do one today, you feel me? Now we're gonna do two today, you feel me? But before I start, how are the Owens doing? Look here. We on 615 subscribers. Look here. Much love to all of you. You joined because you like the content and you fuck with me, and I appreciate that, you feel me? You did. Man, be a one day 615 black labels I'm gonna buy for the Owens. Facts. We got the N-word. Again, I don't know why I keep reacting to this man. Look here. I feel like I owe this man a bit more respect. You feel me? Because I read this man's Wikipedia. And this man's been doing stuff, cuz he's been 1995 this man released a song. It was 13 or something. No, not 13. This man's like 47 now, you feel me? This man's been in this industry, you know, and he's not from Cape Town, he's from Joburg. You feel me? But never mind that, you feel me? Respect this man, because he didn't just pick up the mic. This man actually did stuff. One day, okay, I don't like this man's music, but one day we can't ignore the fact that this man is gonna be a legend, in his own. Okay, not a legend, but he's gonna have a legacy. Like, this man is the N-word is the biggest group in South Africa, you feel me? These Owens beat Nasty C them all, you feel me? And when I say them all, I mean Nasty C. Even though he's different, he might sound whack to a lot of people, he might sound weird, he's still got more. He's still doing his thing. Gevaarlikly, you dig? Gevaarlikly, you dig? But besides all of that, look here, let's get into what the song's name, no? Oh, yeah, no. Load setting. Into the Woo is the song's name, cuz. Let's hear what this man has to say in the song, cause he's weird and all that, no, but he made it by being himself. Something that you Owens do not understand. That's something big, Jay. Let's just get into it, man. Look here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DJ, let me keep my big. DJ, put it in the deck. You dig. Into the Woo. You feel me? Into the Woo. Check it, yeah.
I represent.
So when this man acts like this in the songs, no, I'm gonna be honest. That's not an act. This man is like that. He is like that. This man's light. His name is Toki, and his daughter's name is Macy. Tell me this man he's different, cuz. Who does this man is being himself, cuz. No matter what, he's being himself. So respect this man, cuz.
South African culture.
Yeah.
This place, a lot of different things.
That knife means a lot of things, you know what I'm saying?
What? Colours.
What?
English, Afrikaans, Xhosa, Zulu, wat ook al.
Yeah.
Block. All these different things.
All
these different people.
Yeah.
Packed into one person.
Oh shit, he's saying he is all of that. You feel me? I'm 1000%, I agree, cuz. 1000% agree with this man. You can hear he's white, right? When he said what? You know what I'm saying? What is what? But you can see the color in this man. And you can see the black in this man. This man is the rainbow nation in one. But a bad example of just the scholarly versions of everything. Facts. But he's speaking facts. He's speaking facts. Yo, Landy, Fossa, on die huis. Rap, voice. Where's Mal? I didn't say it's Mal for that part. The music that's playing, no? That ambient ding, 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 that people use to meditate to. You know what I'm saying? And my other channel, you know what I'm saying? I'ma link it here so man don't crack. I'ma see if I can, you feel me? Just there. It's called Ghetto Meditation. You know what I'm saying? Where I got all the beautiful music for you, know? I make it myself. You dig? And it's just to, if you want 20 minutes just to breathe and relax. that music is for you. If you can't sleep and you want to just kap that music is for you. If your lighty doesn't want to fucking go sleep, if your lighty is working on your nerves and you want to give him a clap, but you don't want to give him a clap, that music is for you. Dig. Into the Woo is almost like Wu-Tang, you know what I'm saying? Into the Ninja is almost like Into the Woo in Wu-Tang. Whoa, I heard that stuff. Is this Into the Ninja? We've all heard that stuff. That plays on the phones, you know what I'm saying? That toy phones that we all had. We more like this. With the ringtones on. Ding, ding, hello, I'm gonna help you. There's a song, ay. You can't tell me you never heard that stuff before, my nigga.
I'm a ninja. Yo, my life is like a video game. My main thing when I'm in the zone. One player, one life in the mark. Remember the dog. No fucking down. I'm cutting down anyone in my parts. Trying to fuck up my game with razor sharp political throw stars. Killing my flow on horse. Wow.
So weird, Jay. So weird. Nigga. I feel like, everything this man puts in a music video, it's like this. Every single thought in this man's head, he puts in a music video. Every single thought this man has in his head, he puts in the video. That's why it's so weird, but that's why it's so beautiful at the same time.
Out of control, ninjas op de bok eraf.
Is that a real person?
Until I hit 777 at the ATM. Straight from the feast when you're living on the razor edge. Stay sharp, rolling with the SOS. High energy, you never seen Zeph so fresh. When we mark, check hard, that flows flex. Yo, we off the must up, not fucking the press. We not like the rest, my style is UFO. Totally unknown, you can't fuck with my new Zeph flow. I'm hard to.
Actually, you know, I kind of fuck with it. Fact is saying my style is UFO with this new Zeph flow. This man's style is different, UFO, like an alien. That's why I've been calling this man Amper Alien all the time. This man is different. He's in his own lane. He mastered that whole skill of, I'm not gonna compete with any of you, cause I'm in my own lane. That's why all the people that's gonna listen to me is only gonna listen to me because the music that I make is different. You know what I'm saying? Your fans are not gonna mess with me, but your fans will probably mess with that next man who sounds like you. My fans are gonna mess with me. They're not gonna mess with you because we're not the same. So shit.
Must you go to this, you go to that, you fucking who said so? I do it a lot, too hot to handle, too cold to hold. You can't fuck with the chosen one. I want to knock your arm, a ninja.
I know it's the key. Production or protection?
Fuck with my Game Boy or I'll boost you. Live stuff when I get stuck on my diamonds up. Pop boost through till I break on through to the other side. Fantastically poor with patience like a stalker. Ninja is hard core. Being cut so deep, feel no pain is not sore.
This is the mal part of all of this, Jack. If you listen to one song and you don't know them and you listen to one of their songs, you'll be like, yo, what is nice acting and pretending to be something they're not. No? That's what you think in the first song. You'll be like, nah, man, why are you acting like this? Once you hear like 4 songs, and you hear this man is still keeping duck like how he is. And he's still, look at this man's choppies. You dig? You're gonna realize that this man is actually like that. This man is really like that. Like, this is him. You feel me? He's not. It's like his name is Toki. I said that before. His daughter's name is Macy. You name your. Dad. You have to be different to do that kind of stuff. You feel me? This man is different and he's original. only thing that if you want to take anything from the N-word, no. The reason why they're so successful is because they're different. They're in their own lane. No competition. No competition. So they automatically number one in what they do. Clever, Jay. Clever.
Don't ask for cockle, you get what you asked for. I'm like a wild animal in the corner, waiting for the break of dawn, trying to get through the night. Just a man with the will to survive my blaze. Swing free, decapitate a hater with amazing ease. This is not a game, boy. Don't play with me.
Yeah, I'm saying it's not a Game Boy. Don't play with me. You feel me? A Game Boy. Yeah, I'm saying a Game Boy. Not this is not a.
Mark Saber like a wild fucking savage from the dark side. Danger. Into the gang. Totally hot tech ninjas, motherfucking big in Japan. I seen the future, but I never got nothing in my hand except a microphone, big dreams, and a plan. Fly talking, sky walking like a ninja.
Ninjas big in Japan. I don't know if that was some just for to rap or as facts, but I believe us man's fans is there, not here. You know what I'm saying? But to be honest, I'd rather have, if I was making music now, I'd rather have my fans somewhere else than here. Just listen, why? Cause Owens here don't wanna pay for your stuff. No one's gonna give out money to you, my nigga. No one's gonna pay to come to your show, yeah. But go to Japan or something, they're gonna be like, ah, ninja. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna be like, yo, look at this man. To them, it's like, yo, this is a star. You feel me? This is a superstar. I'll pay to see this nigga rapping his chappies and stuff like that. This man is controversial, Jay, with his tattoos and the way to everything is controversial about him. That's why he's so successful. That's why he's gevaarlijk. Look at youngster, this man is so talented, no? Put in so much work. But his audience, he is supposed to be a millionaire already. No, kak. This man is supposed to be a fucking, like, for how talented this man is and how respected he is, no? He's supposed to be a millionaire by now. I'm not even gonna lie, cuz. Maybe he is, but look here. Why I say he's not is because his fans, the audience he's catering to is here, and the audience here don't want to do nothing for you. They clap support. You know what I'm saying? I heard that before, and I'm gonna say they clap support, they don't support. Actually, they're not gonna buy your stuff, they're not gonna invest in you. You know what I'm saying? They'll buy maybe one tracksuit from you and clap. But let Drake release a shirt, you know what I'm saying, that OVO or when Lil Wayne released the track foot caps, everyone was wearing a track foot cap. That youngster released a wide end cap. I didn't see one wide end cap. Yeah. You feel me? It's about the audience you cater to, my nigga. And that's why these Owens are so rich. You feel me? Their audience got money and their audience is ready to buy whatever the fuck they want. Whatever drops. You know what I'm saying? This man can release a cup now with a ninja on, with a knife on the cup. They're gonna buy that. They're gonna be like, yo, this is ninjas? This is ninja. So weird, Jay. So weird.
This is Lock.
It's locked.
The coolest song I ever heard in my whole life.
You feel me?
Fuck all of you who said I wouldn't make it.
You feel me? This man is so confident in himself. We all know this isn't the best song in the world. But he will tell you this is the coolest song I've ever heard in my life. In my life. You dig? That's how you must be. You must be like that. Confident. Clever. I'ma keep saying, man, clever.
They said I was a loser. They said I was a no one. They said I was a fucking psycho. But look at me now. All up in the interweb. Worldwide. 2009.
Can you hear this nigga's old? I can hear this man is old. Not on the internet. I'm all on the interweb. Yo, that's what is old. And this is the way. This man just said it's 2009. You feel me? Got older man looks there already. Damn.
Futurista.
Respect to you,
The
girl.
Ninja. Yo, Landy Fusser. DJ Hot Deck.
Damn, it's really. Yo, I apologize. Lord, please forgive me. You dig? I didn't mean to laugh at cuz. I thought that was like a costume or some shit. Yo, I apologize. No, kak, I apologize. For real. Not trying to, don't laugh at you know what I'm saying, disabilities and stuff, because you must still get lighties. You must still get children, you feel me? You don't want your child to come out like how you were laughing at that nigga. You feel me? Please forgive me for that. Damn, DJ Heart Attack is, but that man is weird, Jay. In that Fokil and Naya song. That song, no?
You fucking artwood. It's mine now. I'm a ninja. Yo, I'm a ninja.
Man, this shit is weird.
Yo, I'm a ninja. I'm a motherfucking ninja.
Yeah. Yeah, man, nigga. They found the answer. It's destiny that their name is the Antwoord, because they found the answer for them how to be successful. You dig? They knew, look here, we different. We got something here. My DJ looks weird. I'm weird. This lady's weird. We make weird music. This is the answer, so we are the Antwoord. You know what I'm saying? Facts. They clever. Look here. Respect to them, because they did it right. We can all be like, songs are weird and all that, but there's people that like it. Evidently. You know what I'm saying? So, respect to them, car. Look here. It's Boss Life IBK. You did. Oh, yeah, and then if you, yeah, my other channel, Ghetto Meditation. You dig? I'ma put it, I already put it there. You know what I'm saying? I'm put it again there. Feel me? If you smack it, just chill out. It's music to relax to. You hear waves and shit. You feel like you in Japan. You feel like you in India. You feel like you in the sky when you listen to that music. And it's all original music. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing. And get that thing. You feel me? The fuck did I say? Get back thing. There's that word.